how to conduct a safety audit is a skill that every EHS professional, and frankly, every site manager and leader needs. The three main types of safety audits include compliance audits, management audits, and program audits. The goal of these audits is to determine whether safety initiatives are effective and whether they're being followed by both workers and managers. Before you can complete an audit, you need to make a checklist of what you want to verify. This can include things like compliance measures that need to be met, process tools and PPE, training programs, safety equipment, and control systems that should be in place. During the safety audit, look to see whether the items on your checklist are there. If they aren't, make sure you create a corrective action item to fix the issue and ensure compliance. Take safety audits to the next level by documenting and tracking your action items in an EHS software solution.